Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can use the Wiser app for free. In order to do so, here we are at the iOS store and we're also at the Google Play Store where you can install the Wiser app. In order to find the answer to our question, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of the top AI models and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, to use the Wiser app for free, follow these steps. First off, you're going to want to download the app. Second, you're going to want to create an account. You can sign up for a free account. You may need to provide your email address and set a password. Once registered, explore the free features available, such as basic budgeting tools, goal tracking, and financial insights. Some advanced features may be available through free trials. Check any notifications or prompts in the app to access these. Occasionally, Wiser might offer promotions or temporary access to premium features for free. Keep an eye on any announcements within the app or their website. Participate in the community forums or groups within the app. This can also provide networking opportunities and additional insights into using the app effectively. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.